Hello and welcome to Jan Travel Thailand. Today I want to show you how to fill out the TDAC when before you arrive in Thailand. You have to fill TDAC out up to 3 days before arriving in Thailand, and you have to do it online. You can do it on your mobile phone, you can do it on your computer or iPad, but if you don't have any of these, you can ask a friend to help you, and I will give you the web address here so you can find the right place to fill out the TDAC before you arrive in Thailand. As I told you before, you have to fill this out up to 3 days before arriving in Thailand, and if you don't have any body that's or don't have a phone or computer or anything, don't know anybody who can help you, you can do that when you arrive in Thailand, in the airport in Thailand. There will be some screens that you can fill out the TDAC, and you can get some help there. But to be sure to enter Thailand fast, I can recommend to do it from home. So let's get started, and let's get step by step how to fill out the TDAC. I filled this out, this formula for a friend, so this is not my name or address or anything like that. So let's get into it. Now we are on the arrival card website, and as you can see to the left here, we have the arrival card that you have to fill out, and to the right you can use for if you have to update some information, if you change hotel or something like that. But there is also some information that you cannot update. For example, your passport number or your name and address and stuff like that. But the hotel and other information you can update after you filled out the arrival card. But let's get into it. I press arrival card, and I have to fill out the family name. I do this for a friend, so this is not my own name or anything. This is the right is the first name and your family name, and here you have, without the red dot here, the red star, the middle name. If you have a middle name, of course, fill that out, but it's not necessary. The nationality, citizenship. My friend is from Denmark, as I am, and I know it's DNK. Then you see it's Danish. And in this case, it's a little bit different when you come down on this side. But let's get into that. We have the passport number here, and the date of birth. You can use this scroll down here and fill out the right date, month, and year. And gender has also to be filled out. It's a male. Country, territory of residence. This is your home address also. No, not your home address, but you see, if I fill out DNK for Denmark, it now say the Kingdom of Denmark. So it's a little bit different from this nationality up here. And then you have to fill out your phone number, occupation, your job. If you have a visa, if you stay in Thailand or something like that, you have a visa. If you have to stay for a long time and you have a special tourist visa or work permit or something like that, then you have a visa number. You have to fill that out here. In this case, it's only for a holiday, so it's not necessary in this case. And then press continue. Then you have a new site, date of arrival. You can press this icon here, and it's a 16, Friday the 16th. And country territory where you're boarding. That means if in this case my friend is boarding in Denmark, the Kingdom of Denmark, DNK. You have to find out your own country, or that country that you boarding. You can find that on this list. But in this case, it's DNK, Kingdom of Denmark. Propose of travel. In this case, it's holiday, but you can fill out all this if it's not a holiday or whatever it is, employment or convention or anything else, but in this case it's holiday. Mode of travel, it's airplane. You can also fill out these, but it's airplane. And mode of transport, commercial flights. If you have a private plane, you have to fill this out. But this is commercial flight. Flight number. Departure from Thailand. If you have that and you know you will not change that, you can fill that out, but it's not necessary, because if you want to expand your stay in Thailand, you don't need to fill this out. So we can go down to this. I am a transit passenger. You can fill that out if you are only a transit passenger. If you just want to have a vacation in Thailand, you type type of accommodation, and in this case it's hotel. It can be private stay and stuff like that, but in this case it's a hotel. And what province? The first night my friend stay in Bangkok, and the district area is only if you know it, but it's not necessary because they don't have the red dot here. The address. Fill out as much as you can. I know this is Sukhumvit 11. There's a hotel there. And then just press continue down in the right corner here. And then you have to fill out, I think it's DNK again. This information is about if you are entering Thailand and you need a vaccination, for example, for yellow fever or something like that. But if I'm from Denmark and entering from Denmark, it's not necessary to fill all this out. I don't think it's from any European country or US or anything, but you have to fill that out where you the name of the country territory that you stayed within the 2 weeks before arrival. If you want to add other travelers, you can do that here. But if it's only yourself, you can just preview this information that you filled out. And this is all the information that we just filled out. You can see the name and everything here. And then you have to go down to the left here and say, I have read and accepted the conditions, the terms and conditions. And agree on that. And here you have to fill out an email address, of course, so you don't have to, you have to have an email address so you can get your QR code that you have to use when you arrive in Thailand and show in the immigration. So I text the email address and then submit down in the right corner here. I confirm the email is right, and it asks if you want to download the document or open it. I can recommend to download the document here because the document is important because the document have the QR code. Or else you have information, the date of arrival, passport number and name and all that stuff, and then you are ready to go. So just, you can leave the page or just press home like this. And that's it. Now you have to remember to take a photo of your QR code that you just downloaded on a PDF, or you can use it in your mail. But if you don't have any signal when you arrive to Thailand, you need to have a print on paper or a screenshot on your phone with the QR code. So you just have to show the QR code in the immigration when you arrive in Thailand. So this was how you have to fill out the TDAC, Thailand Digital Arrival Card, online, up to 3 days before you arrive in Thailand. I hope you can use that this information for something. So enjoy your travel to Thailand, and if you have any questions, you can try to ask me in the comment section below this video. Maybe I cannot answer all the questions, but I can try. Remember to bring your QR code from the TDAC with you as a screenshot on your phone or something like that. If you don't have any signal, a mobile signal when you arrive to Thailand, it's a good idea to have that on your phone. Or you can do it as a hard copy. You can print the PDF QR code, and then you have that to show in the immigration when you arrive in Thailand. And remember, you have to fill out the TDAC unless you are a Thai citizen. The TDAC have to be filled out even that you stay in Thailand as a foreigner, as a Falang. You have to fill it out every time you enter Thailand again. So that's a good rule to remember. But remember, if you forget to do it, or you cannot have access to any computer or anything, then you can fill that out in the airport when you arrive to Thailand. But of course, it would take longer time because I think there will be a queue by the machines for the TDAC fill out and for the fill out of the form. So if you are filling out that information from home, you can just bring it and you will enter Thailand much faster through the immigration. So good luck and good travel, and I will see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe if you want to subscribe to Jan Travel Thailand. You're welcome to do that and give this a like. I will be happy for that. So take care, have a nice day, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.